Hello everyone, I'll be showing you guys how to play Ode to Joy by Beethoven. This is a beginner piece, so if you're just getting into piano and you know the names of the keys already, then this piece is for you. Let's begin for right hand, which is the melody. You're gonna want to go E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, E, D, E, E, D, D. This melody will be repeated throughout the song. Now, for the left hand, the notes will repeat in the pattern twice. So the left hand is C, G, C, G, followed by G, F, E, D, C. Now, let's put it together. For the next part, you're going to want to repeat the same thing, but the ending will be changed. Here's how it goes. Let's try them both together. Now, for the bridge, you will repeat F and G like this on the left hand. And on the right hand, the notes are D, D, E, C, D, E, F, E, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, D, G. Let's put it together now. Now, for the ending, you're gonna repeat the last part of the beginning, which goes like this. Now, you can play Ode to Joy by Beethoven. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the song.